Hello, wonderful people. I greet you all and I welcome you to today's broadcast. I still remain your own faithfully Chukwemeka. I am a Unified Igbos Now proponent, and it is with great pleasure that we continue to work towards the unification of Igbo. I want to appreciate the people, every person who has supported us, who has, through their immense contributions, through constant donations towards this project, that has aided us to this moment. I want to say a special thank you to you all, because it is through all this immeasurable supports that we have gotten to where we are today. I want to say a big thank you to the management and staff of Pine River Estate, the real estate that I call the real estate of Igbo. You know, the CEO, Bishop Onyeka Nzekwesi, I thank you specially. I thank you for what you are doing in the Igbo nation. Pine River Estate has really proven to be an estate that has the interests of Igbo at heart. Where through your constant programs and how you reduce your prices, your landed properties, has made a lot of Igbo who are in diaspora to think it's wise to invest at home. That is driving home the Akurulo initiative. So I thank you so much. I thank you for what you're doing. I must also thank the CEO of Eastside Ventures, the Eastside Music, Eastside Farms, which has introduced the Ohaneze Farms with Kedu app. You know, Kedu has really been a very, very huge inspiration to the young Igbo people who has been subscribing, downloading the app, connecting people. There are marriages, there are some connectivities through this app, Kedu. So I am encouraging every person to download Kedu app and get connected and earn online too. The CEO in the person of Gaius, Mr. Gaius Chibueze, Chief, I call you Aka Nedozi Obodo. Akoma Nedozi Obodo. You are doing a lot of great work in Igbo. So I doff my cap for you. You are doing so well for Igbo. My respect goes to a lot of people who are investing at home, people who are driving home the Akurulo initiative, people who are giving Igbo a sense of belonging. I have so much respect for you all. All right, I have so much respect for you all, and also thank you to Igbo who has supported us to this moment, to this point that we are now getting accolades. We are now getting meritorious recommendations from everywhere, and the recent that is coming from the ancient Idu Eri Kingdom, the ancient Idu Eri Kingdom. I submit to this royal palace, to this throne, because there is a lot of history that is there that needs to come out, that young Igbo people needs to learn. The chieftaincy title that I have been recommended for, I accept. I give thanks to Akajiovo, His Royal Majesty Eze Chukwemeka Eri, the 34th of Idu Eri Kingdom. I so much respect, and I say this is an encouragement to a lot of young Igbo people who are out there, who has a very strong tools in social media. I encourage you all to use these tools to promote the positive side of our Igbo. Promote the positive side of our Igbo. That is what you can do for your generation, for this generation and the generation to come. You cannot be having 100,000, 10,000 followers and you are not promoting Igbo. Everything that is about Igbo, you have to be Igbo centric. And I thank God that the people in high and low places are recognizing what we are doing, are bringing us, showing support. People, they are donating money, bringing support, bringing connections for us to make this project an easy one. So I encourage any person who are out there, I encourage every person who are out there who are making sure that they support people who are promoting Igbo in a positive light. So if you are out there and you are having a tool such as this, social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, X, and you are not using it for the positive advancement of Igbo, then you need to have a rethink and come back, because we have no other nation. We are out to make the Igbo the greatest of all time. It starts with me and you and me. It starts with us. So if you are there, take a pledge and say that you will dedicate your whole essence, your whole powers, your whole youth towards the advancement, the positive advancement of Igbo, making Igbo great. The Europeans will not respect Igbo if we don't respect Igbo. The Asians will not love Igbo if we don't love Igbo. The Americans, every person out there will respect Igbo, will fear even Igbo, because we respect and honor Igbo. So help me God. Thank you and God bless you. I still remain your own faithfully, Chukwemeka. I am a Unified Igbo's now proponent, the chairperson of Igbo Cultural and Social Enlightenment for Unity Foundation. We are championing the Igbo Aid. The Igbo Aid is not just stopping in a suburb. We are going everywhere. We will build, we will drill, we will make every corners of our Igbo habitable and prosperous through the Igbo Aid. Igbo shall aid Igbo. Thank you and God bless.